Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'll show you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets at one time. Instead of clicking adding new rows at one time, Google Sheets will let you add several in just a few clicks. Make sure you have your spreadsheet open, and then on the left-hand side here, you're going to see different row numbers. Then you want to go ahead and highlight the number of rows that you want to add. So let's just say if we want to add in like 6 rows, we're just going to highlight from 2 to 7. And you can go ahead and right click anywhere in the highlighted row numbers. And you could select right here if you want to insert 6 rows above or below. We could also still continue and insert 6 rows above. And this will work for any amount. Just keep right clicking the rows. Same thing for columns. If we want to highlight the columns right here, we want 3. We want to insert 3 columns left. We're able to do that. And just like that, you are able to insert multiple blank rows at one time. If this video did help you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tutorials.